Hi, I'm Walter Gerlach, president of the Phototex Group, and today we just want to show you a little bit about our Phototex S. S is in Sam. Phototex S is great for indoor or outdoor glass. It can handle all the weather, and it can last a good year outside. Even if it gets dirty, it's cleanable or wipeable. This material can be used on any solvent, eco solvent, latex, or UV inks. It also can be backlit if you want to backlight it. And we would like to get you a free sample so you could test it on your printer and then on the windows, indoors or outdoors. So if you could email me at walterjr@phototexgroup, we'll send you a nice sample roll. You can print it and put it again in any weather, indoors or outdoors. Hope to hear from you soon. Let's get you a free sample roll.